Want to use Chrome like a pro? Here are quick hacks every laptop user should know. First, pin important tabs and group related ones so your browser stays tidy. Second, accidentally close the tab? Press Ctrl plus Shift plus T to reopen it instantly. Third, right-click a noisy tab and mute the site. No more surprise autoplay videos. Fourth, open Chrome's Task Manager with Shift plus Escape to find and kill memory-hungry tabs. Fifth, use the address bar as a super search. Type calculations, search a specific site, or jump straight to a bookmark. Last tip, create profiles for work and personal browsing to keep cookies, extensions, and passwords separate. Use these hacks and your laptop browsing will be faster, cleaner, and way less annoying. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.